What's good, y'all? Today is the 5th day of making an acrylic pour birdhouse, so follow me.
Alright, so today we're just going to be painting the base. So for the bottom piece, I'm thinking a deep green, for the middle, a dark brown, and then for this top piece, deep green again. So here's that deep green and the dark brown. Let's get to painting. Alright, so the green's all done, and the brown is done.
Alright, so that's it for day 5. On day 6, I'm gonna add some details to make that grass and bark really stand out. I'll see y'all then.